This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning the face and marking the hairline so hairs are visible. This matters because clear landmarks prevent overthreading. Once done, position the machine at a 45-degree angle and engage a steady, moderate tension to catch hair roots. You should work in tiny 1/2-inch sections, pulling taut with your non-dominant hand while guiding the threading head with your dominant hand. Make short, confident passes rather than long sweeps to reduce irritation and improve precision. You continue with multiple light passes rather than a single heavy pull. This minimizes breakage and pain. As you progress, adjust the machine speed, slower for coarse hair, faster for fine, to ensure consistent capture of hairs. Once the bulk is removed, refine the arch by removing only a few hairs at a time, stepping back to check symmetry. Make sure to glide the device parallel to skin where possible and occasionally remark guides to maintain clean, balanced shaping. You finish by inspecting the area for any missed hairs and performing small precision passes to tidy edges. This final check ensures a polished result. Once complete, apply a cool compress followed by a soothing gel or aloe to calm skin and shrink pores. If you notice persistent redness, snagging, or pulling, stop immediately. Make sure the thread head is clean and reduce tension or speed before resuming. If problems persist, wait 24 hours and reassess rather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.